Hey, Fabio here. How are you? Hope you're doing great today. I'm doing so freaking good. And today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to set up and what you need to do in Mailing Boss. And Mailing Boss, by the way, it's an autoresponder, email autoresponder, so you can send emails every single day trying to convert your lead, right? So on this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what you have to do so that your emails won't land on spam folder. And so I will show you what you need to do inside Mailing Boss in order for your emails be landing on their inbox, so you can get more people to view your emails and that way make more sales, and the list goes on and on, right? So let's jump into it. All right, let's go ahead and do this. All right, I'm gonna show you exactly how, because I've done it the right way and it's working amazing for me. I'm gonna show exactly what I did, why I did it, and so that you can do the same and accomplish amazing delivery rate within Mailing Boss. Oh, by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. That would be so awesome. Also ring the notification bell so you get notifications from me. That'd be so awesome. Thank you so much. And also, by the way, if you don't know what Mailing Boss is, it's an autoresponder. So it's within Builderall, a platform. I'll leave a 7-day free trial for it, for the Builderall, so you can test it out. All right, let's give it a start. Let me hop into my computer. All right, here we go. Here we are on Mailing Boss. So the first thing we want to do to make sure that our emails don't land in spam is we got to go to the menu, to domains. And here on domains, we need to add and create. We need to add our own domain here. Now, what we need to do is we need to do this very properly. Let me show you. So I've already connected one domain. So what you want to do is create new, and here you want to put the domain you want to connect. This time I'm just going to put fabiourique.com just to test it out, just to tell you exactly what you need to do. So now on your domain provider, you need to do this. You need to add all of these fields, and that is key element. You have to create a text record for this one, and on the host you put this over here. And then on the text field where you put the value, you put this over here. Then you add another text field, and on the host, you put this with the dot. And on the value field, you put this right here. All right. Then you need to add another value, also a text record. And you're going to add on the host this part right here. And value, you want to add this one, but here you want to put your name at yourdomain.com, the one you want to use with. Then after, you want to add a CNAME record, and in the host you want to add this one, and on the value you want to add this one. Once you do this, you need to wait a few minutes, and then you click verify DNS record, and it will tell you that it's successful. You do this on your domain provider. It's actually very straightforward to do it. If you don't know how to do it, you can comment below and I'll give you some information on how to do it. That's the first thing you have to do. Make sure you do this. Then what you want to do is the sender email, which is this one. It has to be like your name or whatever at the domain you've added. So in order for you to have a professional domain, you need to go to Builderall, back office. You need to go to Builders, drag and drop pixel, My Sites. And you need to have your domain connected here to a page. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and create a page. I'm just giving an example here of my domain. So you want to come here and you click here on emails. So you want to go ahead and create your email here, and then you can access the webmail here. You create it here, add email, and you just select the email that you want, password and everything. And then what you do here on the Mailing Boss, You go ahead and create new, and you add the email that you've just created, and then they will send an email there just to confirm, and then it will say here verified. So you need to do these two things. Now, if you don't know how to do this, you can come here to Build All Back Office, and you come here training, and there's training on how to do this. So go and grab it there. So once this is all done, here's what you have to do. Let's go here to lists. On the lists that you've created, you want to come here to update, and then you want to scroll down and click advanced, and where it says from email, you have to pick the email that you've just created, that you verified. In my case, it's fabio@fabiourique.info, and the reply to, you could just leave it like your normal email, or you can use whatever email you want here. It doesn't really matter. What matters is the from email, right? So you want to make sure that is selected and click save. Another very important thing over here, when you create a list or when you edit, now with Mailing Boss, you are only able to do double opt-in. And you can, if you want single opt-in, you can ask for it, but I recommend you keep it double opt-in. Here's why. Because when you add a new email here to the platform with the new domain, and like email providers don't know your domain, you look like spam, right? And every message that you send now to anybody will land on spam. Most of the emails will land on spam. And the reason is exactly that, because the domain providers, the email providers don't know who you are. They think they don't even know you, so they don't trust you. And so for you to change that and make this all work very well, you have to do this. This is the most important thing. Now here, when you're on the list on top, when you do double opt-in, what happens is, let's go here to forms, not forms, pages. And here on the pages, what happens when you do double opt-in, what happens is people, when they send their email, they put their email and then they click opt-in to put their email into the list. What happens is this page shows up, which is this one, pending subscribe page. And what this happens is this page shows right after they put in their email. And this is the most important page of all. And this page, you want to look what I put here on this page. I put warning. And in this case, I'm sending them a course. I tell them the course will only be sent to you after you confirm your email. So follow the 3 steps below. Step number 1, check your email inbox and look for subscribe confirm email, which is this email that I'm going to show you after. But you want to tell them to look for this email. Then step number 2, if you can't find it, look on your spam folder and mark as not spam. So right there, you're telling your subscriber to put to tell their email provider that your email, it's not spam. So what this does is, as people subscribe, and you don't need many people to do this, you just need a handful of people to do these steps right here, and then all of a sudden your email will be seen as a good email to email servers like Gmail, Hotmail, and all that kind of stuff, right? So step number 3, and add the email to your contact list to make sure you receive the course. Thanks. And that is so important, because you're telling your lead to do this, and in the beginning you want to do this. After you build that trust with your with the email providers, and that it doesn't take long. It can actually take just a week, just a week or a few days, just like it took to me, because I did this step, right? Now let me show you here on when we go to pages. So when they opt in, they see that message, and they also sent a message to them, which is this one. This is the message that once they put their email, because it's a double opt-in way. So it says here, please click here in order to confirm your subscription. The course will be sent to you once you confirm, right? So once they get this message, and in the beginning, they get this message on the spam folder. Most of the time, they'll get on the spam folder because your domain is new. Nobody knows, no email provider knows your name. But because you told them all of those steps in the beginning to do, you're telling your leads to tell your email provider that it's not spam. So they will go to the spam folder. They will say it's not spam. They will add you. They will add as a contact, and therefore they will see this message, which is the confirm message, and they will click here to confirm. Once they click confirm, what happens is I have set up here a welcome email. So once they confirm, they receive this email which is saying, here is the course. You have just made a best decision of your life. Oh, in a little while you will know. Click here to open the course and save this email to access the course, right? So what this does, all of this process, it's actually I'm telling people that sign up to my list to go ahead and do all of those steps, and that way a lot of people will put me as on their contact list, will whitelist my email, and all the email providers will now see that I'm a trustworthy domain, and therefore now it will not land on spam. And it's been working amazing for me. Let me show you here. This is just a list I've created not long ago. I'd say 4 days ago. And one course, you see I already have 130 subscribers, and you can see over here, as you can see over here, it says confirmed, confirmed, unconfirmed, confirmed, confirmed. So I have a lot of confirms. In the beginning, I had a lot of unconfirmed. That means people were not getting the I didn't have that put up. I didn't have that thing where I tell them step 1, step 2, step 3. So they were not going to spam folder and checking if the confirmed email was there, right? Now, because I did those 3 steps, people are confirming and they are adding my email, so it's whitelisting my email, and now I get a lot of confirms, right? And I've also here on my campaigns email sequence, but this is just for like 2 days old, but I can already see results. Let me show you here. So after course follow-up opt-in, when I go here to a sequence overview report, as you can see over here, I've sent 26 emails, and this is just the beginning. My domain is not known, but it's already getting known because I already have open rates. You see, 6 people out of 26 open it, and 4 people clicked. That means it's not going to spam folder because it's already getting whitelisted. Exactly, because before I wasn't getting this open rate like this, but now here's 2 clicks to open rates. You see over here, actually this one just sent this one 3 days ago. 2 sent, 3 opens, and 2 clicks. That's 100% click-through rate. You know, so Mailing Boss really works so amazing when you do this. So the real trick is here, guys. Let me go ahead and get it here. So the real trick, we need to go to the list that we're working on. I'm gonna click on update, and here where it says pages, the trick is here on this page right here, which is pending subscribe. When people opt in, they put their email and then they see this page right away. This is the key element for you to not get in spam folder. And once you do this, you need to do this for about a week or a month, and then you can change this page. You can just tell them, check your inbox for the subscriber confirm email. After a month, you can just say that. But for now, so that all your, like I said, the email providers will see you as not spam, you need to tell your leads to do this for you. Very important. By the way, this is the course I've just launched. It is amazing. People are loving it. People are really loving it, this course, and I'm giving it away for free. Actually, if you want to get this course on my YouTube channel, on the right, on the cover of my YouTube channel, I have a link where you can access the course, so you can grab it from there if you want. If you want to learn how you can make at least $2,000 per month on passive income. I teach you step by step how to do it. So yeah, so that's how you do it. You make sure you add these 3 steps. I've created this. It's working amazing. The open rate is now amazing. I'm loving it. I could remove this right now. It's just a few days, but I want to keep it because I want a lot more people to do this with more email providers, right? So yeah, guys, that's how you do it to avoid getting in spam folders. So your email is seen. And by the way, this platform right here, Million Boss, it is amazing. The reason is you can have unlimited amount of emails in this platform. That is amazing. You can build a huge, massive list and never pay more for that, right? And the open rate is absolutely amazing. So if you add this and always use double opt-in, I recommend you do it. It's better. But do this part right here, very important part. Once you do this, everything will start working for you. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and cheers, guys. And I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.